Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or change thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So first thing we need to do is go to YouTube Studio. Quickly get there by going to studio.youtube.com in your browser. And now before we actually open up any videos and add or change the thumbnails, we need to make sure that our channel is actually eligible to upload custom thumbnails. So to do that, all we need to do is in the YouTube, just click on settings. Once the settings open up, go down to channel and in channel, go to feature eligibility in the top menu here. Now, in order to upload your own custom thumbnails, you're gonna have to verify your phone with YouTube. So what you want to do is make sure that you have the feature that require phone verification enabled. If you don't go through the steps of doing that, all you need to do is give them a phone number. They'll send you a text and then you just enter the code. Once you confirm that these features are enabled, all we need to do in the YouTube Studio is go to content in the left sidebar. Once you are on the content page, make sure you are under videos right here in the top menu, and then we just need to find the video that we want to add or change a thumbnail on. Once you find the video, select the pencil for details. Once that video opens, we need to scroll down, enter the description, and right under where the description box is where we can edit the description, you will see thumbnails and you will have four options here. The three on the right side are just thumbnails that YouTube has taken from your video that you can select, and then that will be your new thumbnail. But if you want to upload a custom thumbnail, select upload thumbnail right here. Find the thumbnail on your computer, select it and open it. It will upload. Once you've done that, all you need to do is save the video, and when you close it, you will see that video has now the thumbnail that you uploaded. So that's how you add or change thumbnails on YouTube videos. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.